Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp call fail tie again problems. Okay, let's start. At first, check your internet connection. Go to your phone settings, scroll down, click on apps, scroll down, click on search icon, search for WhatsApp, click here WhatsApp, scroll down little bit, click on storage, click on clear cache, go back. Now click on force stop, click on OK and scroll up little bit. Click on permissions. Now make sure all permission is allowed. Go back to home screen. Go to Play Store app and update WhatsApp. Click on search icon. Search for WhatsApp. Click on update option. Just wait WhatsApp update. And now go back and home screen. Click on now restart your device. Click on restart. Click on restart option. Okay. And now again WhatsApp. Click on any chat. That's it. Your problem solved successfully. If you like the video and subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.